So I'm going to show you guys an easy dumbbell circuit for your biceps. Have 2 5s, 2 8s, and 2 10s. I'm going to show you guys what to do with them.
Invincible.
Okay, now I want to show you guys the same style circuit, but for the back of your arms, your triceps.
Invincible.
having oatmeal from my Super Oats, chia and quinoa, and there's also some pumpkin seeds in there. And I'm just gonna add some banana to it. Has to be pretty. That's all that matters. Focus, okay. And I'm gonna put some coconut milk on top. Just because. And then hemp seed. Come on. I love my cinnamon. I have to get a lot of that. Cinnamon. I guess that's it. I'm just gonna mix that all together and eat that for my post-workout. Okay, so I did fasted cardio this morning, and what that is when you work out before you've eaten. You've been in a fast because you've been sleeping all night without eating. So if your last meal is at like 8, then 8 till the next morning is 12 hours. You've been on a 12-hour fast and you're working out, so your body is having to use its own energy instead of relying on carbs for energy. This can just be a technique that you can use if you feel better working out before you've eaten. It doesn't make a huge difference, so don't do it just because you feel like you're going to lose more weight. You're not. It doesn't burn more calories during your exercise. It simply allows you to use your own body's energy instead of relying on the carbs. So some people feel better when they work out that way, some people feel worse, so do whichever one you feel better. I typically do feel better working out fasted. I tend to sweat more and have more energy. So now I'm just gonna fuel my body after my workout, and that's it. Okay, so while I'm uploading my video, I am eating oatmeal, and I'm gonna take these afterwards with my BCAAs. I forgot my lunch, so instead I'm drinking a smoothie with avocado, banana, spinach, almond milk, and hemp seed. I found my lunch. This is how it happens. I'm going into the store to buy glasses. So I didn't get any reading glasses because I'm just not ready for that yet. I picked out some, and then when I got to the register I put them back. So, did get this black bean burger and asparagus, and black bean burgers have 10 grams of protein per burger, and they're only 100 calories, and they're really good. So I'll have that when I get hungry. You guys need to see my eyes. Okay, do you see that? Okay, so for my snack, I'm gonna have 2 black bean burgers. That's what they look like. I'm just gonna put some salad on the side. And hot, okay. I'm gonna wait for that to cool off. No, I'm not. Some asparagus. And for the finishing touch, I added some fat-free balsamic vinaigrette and some Mrs. Dash, which is salt-free. And now I'm just going to enjoy. So I decided to add some almonds, the 100 calorie packs, to this meal for the healthy fats to help keep me full, because I already know that this meal is only going to keep me full for like 30 minutes, and then I'm going to be ravenous. That is so good.
A few moments later.
Just making myself some hot chocolate. just wanted to mention that I don't count calories because when I watch these videos, I'm like, wow, I eat a lot. I threw this quick Mexican bowl together with just black beans, corn, green bell pepper, tomato, guacamole, and salsa. And then I'm gonna actually go ahead and make my dinner for tomorrow. That way when I get home, it's ready for me, and I'm gonna show you guys what I make.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am I? When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
And my food is ready for the next couple of days. I have my roasted red potatoes and my vegan lasagna, and they both smell amazing, so I'm looking forward to eating those tomorrow. My last snack of the night is tofutti on a piece of toast. I'm just gonna add tomato and some greens. And that's it. See you guys tomorrow.